Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a sticky button in your WordPress website. So first of all, let me log in into my website, and now let me click on login button. So now in WordPress dashboard we need to install a plugin. Let me go in plugin sections and install a new plugin. Just you can search for this plugin, Buttonizer WordPress plugin. And here you can see this one is official website. So now let me upload plugin file, and you will get a zip file. Then click on install button. Now activate it. Let me scroll down, and on the left side here you can see, just click here. Then scroll down, and you need to create a free account. So just click here, I don't have account. Now you need to add username, password. You need to add first name, last name, and then add email. So let me copy it, and then add here, then confirm. Buttonizer account is created, and now we need to configure this plugin. So we have three options. Just I need to select this one, as I need to add only one button. And now here you can select different buttons. So the first one that I want to add, now here I want to add website link. And then scroll down, click next, and here you can add label text, contact. Then let me select this one, then again click on next button, and here you can select icon, then again click on next button, then select the location. So I want to add on this location, then again click on next button, scroll down, then again next, then next, then again finish. And here you can see button is added on left side. So now if I want to edit this button, just let me click here, and after that here you can see on the right side I can align button position. So I want to keep it on left side, then transform. So here you can select, for example I want to rotate it to the 90 degree, then click on update, and after that reload this page. So guys, here you can see button is added in website.